Hi there, students. Whiplash, a noun, I think both countable and uncountable, and as a verb as well, to whiplash. Okay, so a whip. A whip is a stick with a piece of leather or a piece of rope on the end that you use to beat an animal or to beat a slave or something like that. So a whiplash, the basic meaning is a lash, a stroke of a whip. Now, most commonly, you will find this word whiplash talking about car accidents. When you're in a car and you crash into something, there is a very sudden deceleration and your head goes forward and then it goes back suddenly. Okay, and that is whiplash. This causes an injury to the neck. If you have whiplash in an accident, if you suffer from whiplash, then you can probably get money from the a car insurance company. Now, both of those are pretty clear, but we can also use whiplash to talk about a sudden change, a sudden unexpected change. So, the war in the Ukraine caused a whiplash effect on the price of oil and gas. Yeah. Okay. So it's a sudden change. You could also use whiplash to talk about to hit something, to beat something. So the economy is being whiplashed by inflation. It's suffering from inflation. Yeah, it's like it's being whipped. Okay, it's a sudden whipping motion, but using it metaphorically to beat, to hit. Yeah, as if with a lash. I guess you could say the coast was whiplashed by the storm, although I might say the coast was just lashed by the storm. New tax increases are whiplashing companies' earnings. Okay, they're beating them, they're whipping them, they're having a very negative effect on them. Yeah, so to whiplash, to beat, to hurt. You can also use whiplash for anything that's metaphorically a sudden change in movement. So the rope broke and it whiplashed back. Yeah, a rope that's under strain and you pull it and you pull it and then suddenly it breaks and the two ends flick back. The rope whiplashed back. Okay, so whiplash, the lash of a whip, or whiplash when your head goes forward and then back again, and it causes pain in the in the neck. Yeah, and you have neck pain. And then metaphorically, anything resembling the of a whip. Yeah, this would be a whiplash. Yeah, or a sudden change. Yeah, there has been whiplash in attitudes. Attitudes have changed very radically. Well, no, attitudes don't normally whiplash because attitudes normally change really slowly. I think also if you feel shock about something, yeah, you feel whiplash. So to start with, I couldn't really absorb how bad the news was, but suddenly it hit me. It whiplashed me. I was hit by the whiplash of the reality. So the sudden onset of the reality. Okay, Whiplash, formality. I think I'm probably going to give it a 5.5 in formality. I would say you could use anywhere. And then as to origin, okay, the word whip comes from Proto-Germanic whipjana, to move backwards and forwards. Yeah, so enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Whiplash.